Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to disable ad blocker in Firefox so you can allow ads on certain websites or fix pages that are not loading properly. Step 1. Open Firefox and look at the top right corner of the browser. Here you'll usually see the ad blocker icon, such as Adblock Plus or ublock Origin. Step 2. Click the ad blocker icon on the toolbar. This opens the control panel for the ad blocker extension. Step 3. Click the option to pause, disable, or turn off on this site. This will stop the ad blocker from blocking ads on the current website. Step 4. If you want to disable the ad blocker completely, click the Firefox menu button with 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main browser menu. Step 5. Click Extensions and Themes from the menu. This section shows all installed Firefox add-ons. Step 6. Find your ad blocker in the list and toggle it off. The ad blocker will no longer run in Firefox. Step 7. Refresh the web page or open a new tab. Ads will now appear because the ad blocker is disabled. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.